Let's go for a nature walk. We're walking down a dirt road in western Oklahoma in the United States. It's mid-September, and so we're just beginning into fall. But look at all of these beautiful wild sunflowers. They're still going strong. It's pretty dry around here this time of the year. The Great Plains of Oklahoma is very arid, almost desert-like this time of the year. And so the plants that do survive are very rugged. Quite beautiful here. These late blooming plants support all the pollinators as fall comes on us. We'll be getting lots of bursts of storms here and there until fall does actually arrive. But until then, I just love walking along, enjoying these blooms. They're just beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed our little walk and the sunflowers. I know I did. If you're ever in Oklahoma, be sure to look along the dirt roads for all the beauty that they hold. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.